Masha, what do you want to do today after we finish our picnic? We have all this beautiful nature around us.
I don't know. We can go to the forest. I know a long secret path that goes to a small river not very far away.
Oh, I'm sure it's beautiful. Let's go there. We can play tag in the forest.
Yes, and there is also a small hill. You can see all the mountains from there. Maybe we can even see Everest.
Oh, I want to see it. Did you get that drone last Christmas? We can fly the drone and make some beautiful pictures of the mountains.
I have to ask my mom about that. She also says we can sunbathe, but I think it's a bit cold for sunbathing.
I agree. My dad says that we can take a walk to that huge lake we have near the house. There is a big bridge there, and some people say we can feed the ducks.
Sounds awesome! And in the evening when it is dark, we can pick some wood, put it near the lake and make a fire. It is so cozy to sit near the fire at night.
Wow! Yes! Deal! Let's go on our adventures. River. River. Lake. Lake. Mountain. Mountain. To sunbathe. To sunbathe. Forest. Forest. Path. Path. Bridge. Bridge. To feed. To feed. To play tag. To play tag. To pick wood. To pick wood. To make a fire. To make a fire. To fly a drone. To fly a drone.